Hey everyone, this will be a quick unboxing here of the Proscan Smartwatch. Bought this watch from Menards for like not even 10 bucks. So very super duper cheap watch. Here's everything that is on this watch. If you guys want to read this, go ahead and pause it. There's quite a few things on here, especially for being such a cheap watch. It does of course not have GPS though. This is what you get when you take everything out of the box. You get the paperwork, you get a band of course, and then you get the watch itself. And it is a 1.3-inch touch display watch. This looks to be the way you charge it. It looks like you just plug this into a USB and it should charge on up for you. The two bands just kind of wiggle on into that bit I just showed you guys how you charge it. They're actually pretty decent looking little bands. They feel okay for how cheap this watch is. You should not expect too much. It actually looks pretty decent. You can actually see though the square right there. So the entire thing is not well, it's not the entire thing is not a screen. Just you guys can see the screen, the actual square of the screen there. And this little circle icon there. And the back actually does have a heart rate monitor on it. I'm sure that's very super accurate on a $10 watch, but it is pretty cool though how it includes that. It is made in China, of course, and I don't know if this is actually water resistant. I'm gonna guess it is not. I don't think it mentions anything like that. But of course, this is also Bluetooth, so you can hook it up to your phone and get notifications and whatnot. Stay tuned, guys. I will charge this thing up and we'll make an actual review of this. So stay tuned to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. Goodbye.